Hello, Access. I am your local weatherman, Sean Jacob. Let's take a look at today is weather in Cebu. Monday, April 21, it's expected to be partly cloudy with a slight chance of rain. The high will be around 32 degrees Celsius, and the low tonight will be about 27 degrees Celsius. The sun will rise at 5:31 a.m. and sunset at 5:56 p.m., giving us over 12 hours of daylight to enjoy. And guess what? This coming next Saturday is our first class day of no class. You know what that means? School a great time to enjoy our vacation, play outside, go to the beach, or go camping in the mountains. This has been your Access Weather Report. I am Sean Jacob Cabral Rubias. Bye-bye.